Want to start freelancing but wondering, I don't have any clients yet, how do I build a portfolio? No problem. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional freelance portfolio, even if you've never worked with a client before. And yes, it's 100% free. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is simply a collection of your work. It shows your skill and helps clients trust you. And the best part? You don't need paid projects to make one. You can create fake samples that still look real and professional. Create 2 to 3 sample projects. Step 1, pick the skill you're offering. Whether you're a designer, writer, editor, or transcriber, create 2 to 3 sample projects for your portfolio. Graphic designer. 3 Instagram post designs. 1 logo for a fake brand. 1 flyer for a restaurant. Content writer. A 200-word blog post. Product descriptions for made-up products. Transcriptionist. Pick a short YouTube video and transcribe 1 minute of it. You can create all these using free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Notion. Where to upload your portfolio? Now let's talk about how to share your portfolio with clients. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. Google Drive. Create a folder, add your sample work, and share the link. Behance.net, perfect for designers to show visuals and designs. Notion or GitHub. Great for writers, developers, or digital marketers. Just make sure, file names are clean. Descriptions are easy to understand. How to write descriptions. Every sample in your portfolio should include a short description. Answer these 3 questions. What was the task/project? What tools did you use? What was the result or goal? Example, this is a sample Instagram design made in Canva for a fictional fashion brand. The goal was to attract Gen Z users using bold colors and modern fonts. Always add your portfolio link in your proposals. Keep updating your samples every 1 to 2 months. A clean, well-organized sample portfolio can impress clients more than real experience. If this video helped you, give it a like and comment below. Portfolio ready, so I know you're taking action. Want the next video on how to get your first client using this portfolio? Comment below. Next step. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Earnify Hacks, where real people learn how to earn online.